This is the 20th year of the Appleton City Car Show. 5 members of the Kansas City Corvette Association and 2 members of the Antique Auto Club drove to Appleton City for the car show. This was my first time at the Appleton City Show. I was impressed by the hospitality. There were at least 5 or 6 different people that came up and greeted me like I was an old friend. That was a pleasant surprise. They also made sure that there was lots of space between cars so no one was banging your door. The judging was fair and was based on how clean your car is. The classes were 1979 and older for top 70 and 1980 and above. But there are only 15 places for 1980 and above. Another nice touch is upon our exit, they provided cold water for those who needed it.
talking about time to go. One, two, three. Hey, baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you let me have this dance. And let's dance. Oh, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But let's dance. Oh, let's dance. Hey, baby, you thrill me so. Hold me tight, never let me go. And let's dance. Oh, let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But let's dance. Oh, let's dance. Okay, well now. Oh, yeah. Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around. 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 I'm getting bugged driving up and down the same old strip. I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip. My buddies and me are getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us alone. Get around, round, round, I get around. 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 I get around. Round, round, get around, I get around. Yeah, get around, round, round, I get around. When she was just 17, you know what I mean. And the way she looked was way beyond compare. So how could I dance with another? Whoa, when I saw her standing there. Well, she looked at me, and I could see that before too long I'd fall in love with her. She wouldn't dance with another. Whoa, when I saw her standing there. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed that room, and I held her hand in mine. Well, we danced through the night, and we held each other tight, and before too long I fell in love with her. Now I'll never dance with another. Whoa, when I saw her standing there. Girl, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so
There you go. Now you're on YouTube.
you really got me now. You got me so I They make it very clear they've got no room for ravers. They stop me from proving, they bang on me walls. They're doing me crusty, it's no good at all. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I've got no mind to worry. Close my eyes and drift away. tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love me. There's a song to be sung, and the best time is to sing it while we're young.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seem to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Young girl, get out of my mind. My love for you is way out of line. Better run, girl. You're much too young, girl. With all the charms of a woman, you kept the secret of your youth. You led me to believe you're old enough to give me love, and now it hurts to know the truth. Whoa, young girl, get out of my mind. My love
don't want to leave now. I know I'm leaving now. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better, 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 make it my Sherry, more lovely as a summer day. My Sherry, more distant as the Milky Way. My Sherry, more pretty little one that I adore. You're the only girl my heart beats for. How I wish that you were mine. In a cafe or sometime on a crowded street. I've been near you, but you never noticed me. My Sherry, more want to tell me how could you ignore? There behind that little smile I want, I wish that you were mine.
If you see me walking down the street and I start to cry each time we meet, walk on by, walk on by. Maybe that you don't see the tears, just let me grieve. Be private, 'cause each time I see you, I'll break down and cry. Walk on by, don't stop. Walk on by, don't stop. Walk on by. I just can't get over losing you, and so have I seen broken into. Walk on by, walk on by. Foolish pride, that's all that I had left. So let me hide the tears and the sadness you gave me when you said goodbye. Walk on by, don't stop. Walk on.
Please lock me away. Don't allow the day here inside where I hide with my loneliness. I don't care what they say, I won't stay in a world without love. Birds sing out a tune and rain clouds hide the moon. I'm okay, here I'll stay with my loneliness. I don't care what they say, I won't stay in a world without love. So I wait, and in a while I will see my true love smile. She may come, I know not when. When she does, I'll know. So baby, until then, lock me away. Don't allow the day here inside where I hide with my loneliness. I don't care what they say, I won't stay in a world without love.
I am a lineman for the county, and I drive the main road, searching in the sun for another all alone. I hear you singing in the wire, I can hear you through the wire, and the Wichita lineman is still on the line.
Babe, I'm talking about my new Ford V8. Oh, baby, you heard about the car I've got. Girl, you ought to see it wheeling around. When I get to riding, I never want to stop. You should see the mileage here on this clock. We gonna ride all around, all about in this town. It's got a motor-tone muffle in a tank of gas. Baby, I believe we'll be riding in class. It's a real fine car and it's never late. Babe, I'm talking about my new Ford V8. We gonna move on down, all about in that town. Time me here, baby, sit down by my side. I need your loving, baby, even though I try to find another love that is straight. But I got to have you, baby, in my Ford V8. We gonna move on down, all about in that town. It got power steering and power brakes. I'm telling you, baby, got all it takes. It's a real fast car just for first-class date. Just you and me, baby, and that Ford V8. We gonna have some fun, 'cause baby, you's the one.
I'ma get my grave digger to make you a place. I'm coming along myself and throw some dirt in your face. I'll be right down at your bearing, riding in my V8 Ford. You think you so high, style and worldly, I declare, girl, you just don't know. When you join your insurance, you better make it sick an accident too. You keep a messing with me now, something gonna happen to you. I'll be right down at your bearing, riding in my V8 Ford. You think you so high, style and worldly, I declare, girl, you just don't know. I get my gasoline in the morning, I get my oil checked at night. Then I don't have to worry, cause I know everything's alright. I'll be right down at your bed, riding in my V8 You think you're so high, style and worldly, I declare, girl, you just don't know.